I found gold in the Philippines. Tando Aydar. Ideal candidate number 1. Next candidate is candidate number 2. Candidate number 2 is Bob Wilson Corral. She is from Poroktos, Trading Point, Mulos, D1 Eastern Samar. She's wearing a yellow gown designed by Mr. Ignacio Paduan from Barangay Mulos. Next candidate is candidate number 3. Candidate number 3 is Nicole. She's wearing a blue gown designed by Mr. Ian Dion Abinhar. Sangitera. Help please. Nicole is a 26 tonner. She is a grade 12 student of Taytay Integrated School. Her ambition in life is to become a frontliner someday. Thank you, candidate number 3. Next candidate is candidate number 4. Candidate number 4 is Sudrex Arsenio of Sulaman, D1 Eastern Samar. He is a grade 10 student. She is wearing a black gown with silver designed by Mr. Giovanni Calumpiano of Housing Yuan is in Samar. Ayan. Once again, candidate number 4. Next candidate is candidate number 5. Candidate number 5 is from Rodsan Porok 4 Mulos. She's a grade 9 student also of Taytay Integrated School. She's wearing a yellow gown designed by Miss Kiera from Manikani Island. candidate is candidate number 6. Candidate number 6 is wearing a red gown, Catriona Cat, designed by Mr. Brian of Ampuyo, Kiwanisir, Samar. Candidate number 6 is also called a grade 9, a grade student of Sulangan National High School. Next candidate is candidate number 7. Candidate number 7 is Jandel, all the way from Barangay Baras. She is wearing a gold gown designed by Mr. Ariel Daganyo. She is a third-year college student of Isukiwan. Her ambition in life is to become a stewardess someday. Once again, candidate number 7. Next candidate is candidate number 8. Candidate number 8 is a grade 12 student of Sulangan National High School. She is wearing also a gold gown designed by Mr. Justin from Manikani Island. Nelson believing the saying goes this way: black is beautiful, but too much black is more than beautiful. Once again, candidate number 8. Next candidate is candidate number 9. Candidate number 9 is Ranilo Lagramada. She is also a grade 12 student of Sulangan National High School. She is wearing a yellow gown designed by Mr. Brian Arcino of Hospital Village, Iwan Eastern Samar. Once again, candidate number 9. Next candidate is candidate number 10. Candidate number 10 is Kenneth Digrupas, wearing a green gown designed by Mr. Brian Arcino also of Hospital Village, Kiwanis in Samar. thank you. Candidate number 10. Next candidate is candidate number 11. Candidate number 11 is Wendell Dagsa of Purok 5, Motorpol, Mulos, Iwan, Isusamo. Wendell is a first year college student of Leighton Normal University. She is wearing a violet gown designed by Mr. Renren Salazar. Her ambition in life is to become a teacher someday. Once again, candidate number 11. Last candidate is candidate number 12. Candidate number 11 is a first year student of Isugi 1. She is wearing a see-through gown designed by Mr. Fatu Chu. Her ambition is to become manager of hotel. Oh, sorry. Designed by Mr. Oscar. I'm sorry. Nalilisan in the harbor. Okay, we will call in all candidates from 1 to 12, please.